Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the MetaMask application on your PC. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in metamask.io and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for MetaMask. Now in order to download the MetaMask, just click on the download button at the top right corner. Now you will see three options. Just select the Chrome tab and then click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. You will now be taken into the Chrome Web Store window where you will just need to click on the Add to Chrome button and then click on the Add Extension button to add the MetaMask extension into your browser. Now you will be asked to set up your account. You can either log in by choosing Import an existing wallet or create a new account by simply clicking on Create a new wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the MetaMask application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.